BeMine Mining Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think cloud mining is an easy shortcut to passive income, but you won't believe what happens next when maintenance fees quietly eat your profits. BeMine is a cloud mining platform that allows users to purchase fractional ownership of real mining hardware hosted in professional data centers. Instead of buying an entire mining rig, you can own a portion of one and earn a share of its mining rewards. The surprising truth about BeMine is that it gives you access to professional-grade mining equipment without worrying about noise, heat, or electricity bills at home. Everything is hosted in large-scale mining facilities where electricity is cheaper and uptime is carefully managed. That sounds perfect, but most people get this wrong. They assume profits are guaranteed. In reality, cloud mining depends heavily on crypto prices, mining difficulty, and maintenance fees. If Bitcoin prices drop or mining difficulty increases, your earnings can shrink fast. BeMine deducts hosting and service fees from your daily mining rewards, and those fees can slowly reduce your net profit over time. BeMine does offer a useful feature called mining contracts that show estimated returns before you buy. This helps users understand expected performance based on current market conditions. However, those estimates are not guarantees. They change as the market changes. BeMine is best for users who understand cryptocurrency risks and want exposure to mining without owning hardware. The surprising truth is that cloud mining is not passive, it is strategic. Subscribe for more honest crypto reviews that protect your investments.